Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ menu ਹੈ, it's thin, it's French, and honestly it's pure love. Today we are making crepes. ਬਾਹਰ ਕੈਫੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ 500-600 ਰੁਪਏ ਖਰਚਦੇ ਹਾਂ for just one plate. But today I'll show you how to get the professional results with simple kitchen ingredients. Time waste ना करते हुए, let's jump straight into the recipe so you can see how easy it is. All you need is 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, half a cup milk and half a cup water. Mixing both keeps the texture light. 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon sugar. Savory बनाना है तो sugar skip कर दो. The first step is, in a large bowl, whisk the flour and salt together. दूसरा step है, add your eggs and gradually pour in the milk and water. इसनु चंगी तरह whisk करो. Our goal is a smooth batter with no lumps. This is the consistency of the batter what we are looking for. The third step is, stir in the vanilla extract and melted butter for that deep, rich flavor. Step 4. Let the batter rest for at least 20 minutes. ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ crepes soft ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਟੁੱਟਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ. It relaxes the gluten so the crepes don't tear. Now, the next step is, heat a non-stick pan on medium flame. Lightly grease it with butter and pour a small ladle of batter. Swirl it quickly. Thin crepes ही असली स्वाद देंदे ने. Now the last and sixth step is, cook it for 1 minute, flip it carefully and your golden brown crepe is ready. You have seen the recipe, but do you know the story behind it? Crepes originally originated in Brittany, France back in the 13th century. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੁੱਟੂ ਦੇ ਆਟੇ buckwheat flour ਨਾਲ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ because it was cheaper. In France, they celebrate La Joie des Crepes on 2nd February. There's a famous tradition. If you can flip one crepe perfectly while holding a gold coin in your other hand, your family will have all the good luck all year. ट्राई करके देखियो, शायद किस्मत चमक जाए. घर बनाने दे फायदे. Why skip the restaurant and make them at home? Here is why. It costs pennies to make. Ingredients हर इंडियन घर ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਨੇ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਦੇ ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ whole wheat flour ਜਾਂ oats use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ to make it healthy. No preservatives or artificial flavors, just fresh homemade goodness. जिन्ना मर्जी filling use करो, nobody is going to stop you. So what are the best pairings? किहदे नाल खाइए crepes? Crepes are like a black canvas. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ sweet ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਜਾਂ savory. Classic lemon sugar squeeze. It's zesty and simple. Or try it with chocolate and sliced bananas or strawberries. It's my absolute favorite. Or try it with ham, cheese or even sauteed mushrooms with black pepper. It's a perfect healthy breakfast. Before we wrap up, remember these golden rules. The first is pan heat. Don't let the pan get too hot. नहीं ਤਾਂ batter swirl ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਜੰਮ ਜਾਏਗਾ. The second is consistency. The batter should be thin. And the third is practice. Don't worry if your first prep fails. It's a kitchen rule. The second one is always the best. So there you have it, folks. The complete guide to crepes, from recipe to history to tips and pairings. Now, you have no excuse to master this amazing recipe. It's so easy, so delicious, and so versatile. Now get in the kitchen and start swirling. Let me know your favorite crepe filling in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.